Hello my dear all lovely viewers, welcome back on English Community channel. This is Kishor here with one more interesting video. But before that, as the number of COVID cases are on the rise, it's humble appeal to all my lovely viewers not to lower your guards. Take all precaution and get vaccinated as early as possible. Now back to the topic. While having conversation with someone, most of the people are frequently use word so, which probably makes your conversation slightly dull. Therefore, here I am with 5 alternatives to so. The first alternative is that means. For example, it's sunny. That means we can go to the beach. Second alternative is very simple to use, that is and now. For example, I got up early and now I'm really tired. Because of that, it's the third alternative. We should use it instead of so. It's too easy. But how? Let's say example. There was an accident and because of that I was late. Number 4 is which made. For example, he shouted at me, which made me angry. And number 5th alternative you should use instead of word so, and that is as a result. For example, it's rain all day and as a result water came through the roof. Try this 5 alternative instead of word so. Definitely you sounds better than before. Try to make some sentences by using these words and let me know your respected sentences through your comments. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to English Community channel. I'll be back soon with another interesting content. Till then, take care, keep trying, be safe and happy learning.